Hey everyone, welcome to Self Care on the Noni Kumalo podcast. Today, I'm with one of my favorite girls in the world. Her name is Miss Nono B, and we're going to be discussing spring summer makeup trends. So, if you want to look hot this season, then stay tuned. All right, so Miss Nono B, we're speaking about spring summer trends, and I know that you are the guru of everything makeup and
Yes.
skincare. So, it is a tough time. We're at level 1. We're still wearing masks and we're still sanitizing. What do we need to do? Take us through some of the steps we need to follow in order for us to still look good, even though we're wearing masks.
Okay. Now let's start with the lips. Let's start with the parts that is covered. Okay.
Okay.
So even though your lips are covered, you still need to take care of your lips. You still need to put that balm that I have been talking about for months now at Raw FM. So wear your lip balm, protect your lips, make sure that your lips are conditioned. After that lip balm, wear a beautiful lip color. Now, reds are still trending. My
Okay.
favorite red is the Smashbox red, which is called Boss. So I love it. It stays matte, it stays true. So if you have that on, it actually doesn't stick on your mask. Because now we want to move away from glossy lips as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So matte lips, if you have that on, when you remove your mask, you still have a beautiful lip color.
That's such a valid point because half the time when I have to wear my mask with makeup underneath, I take off my mask and there's like my lips
Stain.
drawn on the mask and there's nothing cute about
True.
that.
And then when
Nothing
you put your mask back, you find that the lip
lipstick
color
is
now is
on
on
your
the side.
chin
You
or-
understand?
That's
so lockdown level 1, spring, summer, I would definitely say matte lipsticks.
Ah,
Yeah,
fantastic.
and they are my favorite.
They are. You
Yeah.
mentioned maintaining and scrubbing your lips. What should we be doing? What products should we be using?
Okay, I have a beautiful lip exfoliator. However, there are a lot of people that will say, no, I cannot afford a lip exfoliator. So you can actually use a dry toothbrush to exfoliate your lips. Or you can use sugar mixed with honey to just exfoliate your lips, removing dead skin cells. So your lips will remain smooth and whatever lip color you have on won't crack.
Okay, and how often do I do that?
I think once or twice a week will be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I do it once a week now. Yeah. But in winter, I used to do it twice because my lips were very dry. Yes.
Yeah.
So once a week now is perfect.
Fantastic. Okay, so you can still have a beautiful lip
Yep.
behind the mask. Just make sure that it's matte.
Yes.
Okay, take us through the next thing to do during spring and summer with our masks on.
With your mask on.
Yeah.
Eyes. So focus on those eyes. Now remember your lips are covered. So
Yes.
people are seeing your eyes. Lashes are on. Lashes are trending. I love your lashes, by the way. Beautiful. Look at her. Ooh. there she goes.
I'm flying away.
Yes, they're stunning.
Yeah.
So now the focus is also on eyes.
Yeah.
So if you want to smoke up your eyes a bit, do so. Smoke up your eyes nicely. You can do a black smoky eye look. You can even do a natural browny smoky eye look. Have your beigey colors on your
Is that
inner
what you have
eye.
on now?
Yes.
Oh,
so these
okay.
are matte brown smoky eyes. So have your beigey color on your inner eye. This will open up your eyes. And then you can have a dark brown color on the outer.
I know you don't like glitter.
I don't like
I know you don't like
glitter.
glitter.
Yeah, especially
But what I like to do with glitter is at least have glitter on the inner
yes,
parts
you
of
can
my
do
eye and then
so.
mattify it as I go out with the
Yes.
smoky eye.
Definitely, you
That
can
works.
do so. Yeah, that
Yeah.
will also open up your eyes. Yeah, and also just do a little bit of glitter under your brows. That
Do we
lifts
still
up
do
your brows.
that?
Yes, we do, especially
Okay.
with masks on. So you really want to focus on your eyes and brows.
Okay, and if lashes are not my thing because they just distract me, what are we doing? Lots of mascara, layers and layers and layers of mascara.
Lots of mascara.
Yeah.
Do use a lash conditioner first. So
Okay.
your lash primer you would use just before you apply your mascara. It conditions your lashes. It keeps your lashes strong, and it ensures that your mascara doesn't smudge and it doesn't flake.
Okay, Miss Nana B.
Tips.
All right. No, these are great tips. These are very great tips because,
Yeah.
it's been a very tricky situation post coming out of the house, but you
Yeah.
still technically have to wear a mask and it's technically
Yeah,
still
no, true.
lockdown. So there's nothing cute about that situation. All right, cool. So we've done lips, we've done eyes. Where are we going to next?
Let's just go back to where it starts. Let's do skin. Okay, so
The
now
dreaded skin because, woo, what a process, girl.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
especially with masks on, so your skin needs to be hydrated. However, if your skin is oily, make sure that you use water infused products. so that your skin won't be too oily. Hydrate your skin, protect your skin as well. So take care of your skin. Make sure you cleanse, you tone, use a serum, use a moisturizer. That has been my song at Wow FM. Hey,
Yes,
cleanse,
yes.
tone,
We've
serum,
been doing that since
moisturizer.
last year. We are celebrating 1 year anniversary of doing all of those things.
Yes. So still do the whole cleansing part and the moisturizing part morning and evening. Never sleep with your makeup on.
Man, you know how much I
Noni?
love
Yeah.
sleeping with my makeup on. I know it's
Yeah.
bad. I
Yeah.
know it's really, really bad.
It is bad.
Yeah.
So always use a makeup remover. I don't like wet wipes because they tend to dry out your skin. So I
Okay.
love my makeup remover. I use a Smashbox makeup remover. I also have the Bobbi Brown makeup remover. I have a lot.
And you
So,
have, and you
yeah.
have, and you
So,
have, and you
yeah,
have.
so,
Okay.
yeah. So do use your makeup remover.
Yeah.
And take care of the under eye area as well, because our masks actually sit here on the under eye area.
Oh,
So as it
yes.
moves, it
It
might irritate
irritates.
the under eye area. And that's
Okay.
skin under our eyes is 40% thinner than the rest of the face. So it is really important to take care of it. So use an eye
Okay.
cream. Your face cream is not your eye cream. Just like your body cream is not your face cream. Yeah. So
But I think
always
that
use an
applies
eye
more
cream.
to gents than it applies to us. I think like we have a certain picture of it. I don't know about gents who use the same cream from
Lotion
their
everywhere.
bald heads to
No,
their
you
toes.
can't. You
It's a mess.
cannot.
It's
You
a messy
cannot. You
situation.
cannot.
It's
The
a
skin
messy
is
situation.
different.
So what I've also realized is when I wear my mask, I tend to get very irritable under the mask.
Yeah.
Like I'll take it off and either I'm sweating or it's just a very ugly situation here. How can I fix this irritation?
Okay, it goes back to the products that you are using. So you
Yeah.
find that maybe your skin is sensitive. So make sure that you use products that cater for sensitive skin. Okay.
Okay.
And maybe you're overusing your product. Some people don't actually need to use a serum and a moisturizer. Maybe you need to just use a light moisturizer or a lotion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. So we've done that. Where to next?
Let's talk about contouring. Yes.
Girl.
Because even though we're wearing masks, but you still need to show your cheekbones.
I mean, they
Look
need
at
to like see the
Noni.
nose structure,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know.
yeah.
Now I woke up early, hey?
We
I
can
woke up
see.
early for this face.
We can
It's-
see.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's not my
You're
place.
looking stunning, by the way.
Thank you. Same thing.
Yes.
Same with you,
Oh,
girl.
thank
I
you,
mean,
thank
we're
you.
matching. We're looking all nice. Okay, girl. I see
Thank
you.
you. So
Let's
yes.
go through it.
Yeah. Highlights. So when you highlight, don't over highlight and make sure that you blend well. Because if you don't blend your highlighter, when you remove your mask, you'll actually see lines. So blend well. I personally don't like powder, but now I do use powder because you know why? I want to set my makeup. So when I remove my mask, my makeup is in place.
That's true. But what I'm also realizing is when I do take off my mask, I have marks of the mask on my face, and sometimes obviously it absorbs the foundation or the
Yeah.
powder. So would it be a great suggestion to just always walk around with a powder and a sponge or something just to touch up?
It should be a trend. I
Oh.
think that's another trend I'm gonna add. Touching up.
It's a real thing.
It's a trend, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you are going to remove your mask, make sure you touch up a bit and have a mirror. Unless your products do have mirrors.
You know, I actually don't have a mirror in my bag.
Noni.
I don't even remember ever having a mirror in my bag.
But your powder does have a mirror, I'm sure.
No, it's because I use loose powder. I carry it with me. I don't know if that's a good thing. Please don't judge me.
Loose powder is for home. When you're
Okay.
setting your makeup, but
And
when
I know
you're
that,
touching
no?
up,
I know
have
that,
your
but-
pressed powder. I'm gonna give you one before you leave.
I mean, no, be the blesser. She just keeps giving the gift, not keeps on giving. Always, every time I'm with Nono B, I walk away with something
Yes.
something nice.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, cool. We've run through that. Anything else you want to tell us about spring, summer trends that we should be looking out for?
I can just add on eyeshadows and
Okay.
brows.
Yeah.
So make sure you blend your eyeshadows. Make sure the focus is on your brows as well. But when I say the focus is on the brows, I don't mean overdo your brows. Remember, still, black is a no for the brows.
Yeah, girls,
Dark
apparently.
brown is the best color.
Yeah.
Define your brows, but don't over define them as well.
So do not use black on your eyebrows no matter what. Whether you are light skin, dark skin, it doesn't matter. We don't use black.
Yep.
More like a chocolatey brown or a
Yes,
charcoal
a taupe
brown or
color, yeah, a rich brown,
rich
a
brown.
brunette,
That's where
yeah.
we're going.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And would you say brows are versatile now? Can we still do the very defined brows and the bushy brows? Is there really?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Bushy brows are also in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't over define your brows. Do use a concealer under your brows, but blend.
Fantastic. No, but you know how much I love having you anywhere. Thank you so much for welcoming us into your home. If people want to catch you and catch Nono B's journey and what she's getting up to, because I know you're getting up to a lot.
Oh yes.
A lot.
Especially in December.
It's gonna be
Yo,
going
guys,
down, and I'm
watch
being
out.
booked as an MC at every event. And just by the way, it's on camera, so it is what it is.
Definitely.
Where can we catch you and what you're getting up to?
Okay, on Instagram, so my handle is Nonobe, which is NONOBBEE. Twitter as well, the same, Nonobe. Yeah, and you will catch what I'm up to on Instagram.
Yeah, because she
Soon.
doesn't want to reveal way too
No,
much,
no.
but I know all
Yeah,
the details,
yeah.
so maybe you must DM me, and I'll tell you what Miss Nonobe is
Just-
getting up to. Okay, but you know, you're the best. You're like my favorite girl in the world, like
Thank
ever.
you.
Thank you so much for joining us on Self Care on the Nori Kumalo podcast. This was amazing. I love doing this. Okay, and makeup is the girl that she thinks she is. And if you want to know more, follow Miss Nonobe because she's got the download on everything. But we'll catch you next time.